Hi there and welcome to the graphics tutorial in C. Today you're gonna see how to animate objects. So let's get started. So have you completed the homework which I gave you in the previous video? I told you to draw this car. If not, then that's okay. I will provide the link in the description. You can copy. And now we are going to learn how to animate this car. For that you need to make a separate function, name it car, where you have to pass one integer value to it, because you are going to animate in one direction, that is along the x-axis. So now you need to copy the code of the car function, means these codes which contain the coding of construction of the car, into this function car. And now the main question, how to animate this car. We have drawn a car. Now how to animate it? For this we are going to use for loop. So in the for loop we are going to pass this parameter I, initialize it with 0, let it be to any number, means or any random value, 420. It's not compulsory that you have to take 420 only. Now I'm going to pass the parameter I into this car function. Then I'm going to use delay function. Delay function has got its definition in the dos.h header file, so don't forget to include that file. Now what I'm going to do is, this is the main step. So we are going to move this car in the x-axis. So you need to minus I everywhere in these functions where there is x-axis coordinate. Mean in circle it's like x, y, then the radius. So we will minus I from the x coordinate everywhere. In the flood fill functions also. Now you can see this car is moving, but there is some problem. Let's resolve this problem. For that we will be going to use a function in the graphics header file named clear device. Now what's the use of clear device is, it acts like CLR SCR, clear screen. So now you can see this car is moving. Now let me tell you what is actually happening is, this car is printing one time, then delayed by 500 seconds, hundreds, and then clears with the help of clear screen function. The screen is cleared, then due to the for loop it's again printed 10 steps ahead, and then again delayed, stay on the screen, and then removed. I hope this is clear. So now we are going to increase this limits so that this car moves along the screen, complete screen. See, simple. Now you can increase the speed of the car by decreasing the number passed in this delay function. See, now I'm going to make it 10. So this is how it worked. So now let's add sound to this car. For that you need to use this sound function, where you need to pass one variable, that is the sound frequency, and don't forget to use no sound function. So now I'm going to use 100 plus I, so that it may give us a tone. See how it worked. Don't worry, I have made separate videos for sound and delay function, whose link is in the description below, so you can see those function and learn how to use sound function. So now moving one step ahead, now we are going to add the smoke to the car, the engine. So now for that I'm making a function smk smoke, and I'm going to draw 2 3 circles behind the car so it looks like smoke. And same thing, I'm going to pass this I parameter there also. So now for all those who were not able to draw this car on their own, or don't have yet cleared the concept of how to draw shapes on different and place them on different pixels on the screen, can clear by carefully watching the steps going on the screen, and can learn how to draw shapes at any place on the screen. So I hope now it is clear how to draw any shape at any place on the screen and how to use these functions. Now moving on, I am going to animate this, but not same as this car was moving. I'm going to animate it in a different way. Let's see how I'm going to do this. So now I'm going to add this smoke function in the for loop, and with the condition of if I is equal to 50 or 100, means I is divisible by multiple of 50. So I modulus 50 equal to 0. If this is true, then print smk, otherwise don't print smoke function. See how it worked. Interesting. So now, if you like this video and learned how to animate objects, then try making this. I hope you are liking this course. If yes, then please do comment and let me know about how you feel about this course. Till then, see ya. Keep coding and keep learning.